Hello everyone, I hope all of you are fine and enjoying. Today I'm in hospital. Today is the 12th of Zulhijjah, 31st of July. Today is 10 of Zulhijjah, the last month of lunar year, and today is the day of Eid al-Adha, one of the big days of the year. All over the world, Muslims are celebrating this Eid and slaughtering animals to follow the path of Prophet Ibrahim ﷺ. Prophet Ibrahim ﷺ is a very big prophet chosen by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to convey the message of Allah to the mankind. Prophet Ibrahim ﷺ is equally respected by all religions like Judaism, Christianity and Islam, and he has many big prophets in his children, in his family. So today is that big day. I'm here in the hospital. Today I'm on call for 24 hours. Tomorrow I will go home when my next colleague will come to take up the over, but probably it will be after 9 a.m. Yesterday I had evening clinic, so I went home late because of many patients in the clinic. Everyone wanted to see me, I don't know why, before Eid. So I finished my clinic late rather than on the normal closing hours. So it was a full clinic actually. We are here to have some little celebration. The day was started as usual at 8:30 with morning meeting and endorsement. Luckily, we have patients in delivery room, but luckily all are post-delivered. So far, so good. Our level is full. Yesterday's call was very busy. They had a lot of admissions, many deliveries, and few cesarean sections. But thanks God, everything was done nicely, and all is well that ends well. So level 2 is full, and that's why we have to occupy some rooms on level 4 too. There are few patients in our emergency area, but those patients are so far stable. Maybe later they will be for admission. So the morning is done nicely. Morning rounds are conducted. All patients are stable. They wanted to celebrate Eid with us, and we have only few discharges today, maybe 3 or 4 maximum. The reason is there. Yesterday deliveries, tonight early morning deliveries, yesterday cesarean sections can't go home today. We finished our work till morning. This is the best time to have some piece of cake. You never know when emergency will start and it will be too busy. I tried to buy cake in the morning, but when I checked the 2 or 3 cake shops outside my hospital, all were closed. These are the effects of COVID-19 pandemic. No business, no customers, so the shops are closed. What to do? That's why I requested someone to buy a good cake for us, but I was not aware how it will be. I hope the cake would be tasty and yummy. We are all here. Okay, we got a comment that cake is good, really good. So far we did not taste the second one. That's beautiful with a crack at the top. Maybe this crack happened on the way. I got few comments from my friends about this cake. They are happy with the cake but not happy with the size of the strawberries. They felt that strawberries are a little smaller. Okay, time to see the other cake, how it tastes. Oh, so we got the comment. It's good. It's really yummy. That makes the day good. So we gathered all the plates and spoons from here and there, and we got enough. Okay, guys, that was our Eid in the hospital. I hope all of you enjoy Eid with your family, and please remember us in your prayers, and load of prayers for all of you all over the world. Stay blessed, stay happy. See you.